All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports, 2016 Chevy Silverado Z71. Truck has just over 106,000 miles, and she is in beautiful condition. Folks, we got a brand new set of 20x10 fuel wheels, wrapped in a brand new set of Fury 35 1250 20s. Those are the MT version, brand new, nipples still on them. A gorgeous, gorgeous truck in person. This blue pops so good on these Chevrolets. Folks, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. We are a lifted truck dealer right here in Ladson, South Carolina, the greater Charleston area. We specialize in lifted trucks, Jeeps, and sports cars. If you are in the market, make sure you follow our website. You can check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Those are the two quickest places to see all of our inventory. Give you guys a shot of the paint right here. All original paint, no paint work, no big dents, maybe a couple small little dings here or there, couple small rock chips, something like that. Rust-free truck. This truck was purchased out in Texas. See the frame. Color match front end on the Z71s. This truck factory is cloth. It does have factory heated seats as part of the Z71 pack. Brand new WeatherTech floor mats, power seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, all of the normal stuff. Overall, the truck is in extremely good shape still. A little bit of wear on the driver and passenger seat, pretty consistent with the mileage at 106. Brand new WeatherTech in the back. Back seats don't even look like they've ever been sat in. Headliner extremely clean, no issues there. I think a spray-in Linux bed liner, I believe, pretty sure. Obviously factory navigation, heated front seats like I said. The dash is free of any, cracks or rips or anything like that. Interior overall still in really good shape. Put your Folkleys up there or your Oakleys, whichever you prefer. I'm not that worked up today, so this video is just, it's kind of bland, right? No big deal. But this is a badass truck. 16 Chevrolet Z71, 6-inch Pro Comp kit, 20x10 fuel wheels, rocking a set of brand new 35 Furies. Again, the wheels are brand new as well. We changed it up, went black. Is a beautiful truck. Folks, if you like the truck and you want to do some small custom changes, we are a full custom dealership. I can change wheels, tires, parts about the lift kit, add re-index control arms, anything from bed liners, amp step rails, anything like that. So if you have anything in mind you may want to change about any of the inventory that we have, we do it all in-house extremely, extremely quick. Again, if you guys have any questions, comment below. We will have some more videos of our newest trucks coming in on Monday and Tuesday. We stock anywhere from 30 to 40 lifted trucks at all times, gas, diesel. Again, we do have sports car stuff as well. I currently have an STI. I have a 2011 GT500 that's priced only at like 28 grand. Again, this is your boy Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Check out our Instagram, Deluxe_Motorsports. Facebook is also a very good place to see what inventory we have coming out next. YouTube is kind of our final landing spot on the vehicles. Obviously, it's just when they're finished up, we do the full videos on them. But we'll take snapshot pictures on Facebook and Instagram on our stories, so you know what vehicles we have coming in next. We're constantly buying weekly. We're selling weekly, so inventory constantly changes. Give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. Give us a shout. We can answer any questions you got. Drop a comment. If you got any questions, we'll answer those too. Until next time, it's your boy Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Peace.